Hi everyone, today we're going to see how to debug an issue in Zippy in less than 2 minutes. Let's get started. So here's a customer telling me something stuck on loading for a very long time, and he's also shared a screenshot here, but we don't need a screenshot. The issue was reported on Intercom. Zippy is integrated directly with Intercom or any other chat applications that you might have. We have the session link right here, so we can directly open the session and play that. Here's the session link. We can see this error showing up here. We can jump into the error right away. As we can see on the timeline as well here that the error is 400. We click this error. We see that an API is getting called here. And what is the response? It says query execution timeout after 2 minutes. So that's the problem. In less than 2 minutes, we were able to figure out that there's some query stuck in the backend. And the customer can be told that we know the root cause and it can be fixed very quickly. To understand how to integrate Zippy with Intercom and in your app, you can check out the links below.